This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Thursday, the 14th of April. I'm James Spann. Cool, wet weather through tomorrow, improving weather for the weekend, and maybe some of the warmest weather so far this year in about a week. So let's check it out. There's the water vapor satellite view as this day begins. We've got a big upper low that's near Seattle, another upper low that's west of Alabama over Arkansas and Missouri. And that feature will kind of keep us cloudy and cool and wet through tomorrow. That's the radar early this morning at 5:14. At that point, some thunderstorms were passing through Montgomery. Showers for the northern part of the state, and we'll see those things off and on today and tonight. Starting off the day, mostly in the 50s to near 60. And we'll stay in the 60s today. I don't think anybody sees 70s, at least on our end of the state. And again, we noticed colder air over New England and the Great Lakes, and some of that is going to drain down the slopes of the Appalachians, possibly reaching Alabama, the eastern part of the state, tonight and tomorrow. Cold air damming, and that should keep the eastern counties pretty cool tomorrow. Up on the watch warning map, no big issues. Got some frost issues north of the state. We note winter storm watches for parts of Colorado. They're going to be buried probably in about 3, 4, 5 days with this pattern setting up. Convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe weather for Mississippi and Louisiana, nosing into southwest Alabama, but again, most of you will not hear thunder today. Tomorrow, the standard slight risk from parts of the South Plains and the panhandle of Texas on north into the plains of Colorado, up into far southwest Nebraska. And on day 3, a risk of severe weather for parts of West Texas, but not here. That's Saturday. And boy, look at the rains from Texas up into the plains. Very beneficial rains for those folks with this blocking pattern setting up. Down here, about 1 inch for the Gulf Coast, 1/2 inch for North Alabama. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week, and the bulk of this will be for us today and tomorrow. So, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 06Z run today at 1 o'clock. You can see the upper low over Arkansas. And down below that, a cloudy, cool day with periods of rain. That's the high-res HER model at 6 o'clock this evening. Of course, the radar is not going to look exactly like that, but it gives you an idea what might be the case. So just be ready for some rain at times today and tonight. And I guess there could be some thunder, but probably not much with a stable air mass in place. Tomorrow, not much changes, but the wedge is very noticeable. It's a 1031 high over New Jersey, slipping down in here. This is 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon off the high-res NAM. And indeed, looks pretty wet. So get ready for rain at times. These are temperatures coming off the NAM at 4 o'clock tomorrow. And goodness, I don't think it's going to be that cold, but if this is right, it would be 45 in Fort Payne, 48 for Anniston and Gadsden, Birmingham at 52. That seems a little overdone. I do think many locations will stay in the 50s tomorrow. But who knows? Those cold air damming patterns can surprise you. So just be ready for a cloudy, very cool and damp day tomorrow. Now, Saturday as the weekend begins, I could easily see some clouds lingering into Saturday morning with that wedge pattern. Those things don't break down as easily as you might think. So don't be shocked if you wake up and it's cloudy Saturday morning. And the question is, could we see some lingering rain? Well, let's check the high-res NAM, and by golly, at 1 o'clock Saturday, it's saying yes, there could be some rain. It's the spring football game day at Alabama in Tuscaloosa. And by golly, if this is right, you might better mention some risk of a shower for that game. Now, we're not going to do it at this point, but just be aware that that idea is on the table by that model, and even the European is very suggestive of that. Again, with a shower on the western side of the state. So I think we are going to mention the chance of a lingering shower possibly Saturday morning, and we'll adjust the forecast as need be. And then finally, Sunday. Boy, look at the blocking pattern. Upper low sitting over New Mexico, upper low over in the Atlantic, ridging in between, and those don't move much typically when they set up. Go down beneath that. Sunday looks great. Sunny with mid-70s on the board. Monday, again, we'll be in between all that. A great day will be around 80 and dry. Pretty much the same thing on Tuesday. Good deal of sunshine, the high close to 80. And then Wednesday, moisture tries to creep in here. Maybe a shower. That's just a small chance. And then a week from today, this is Thursday, the 21st, the block breaks down and moisture comes back, and that's suggesting a chance of showers, but no severe weather. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Saturday the 23rd, upper low south of Phoenix, and for us, moist air, meaning a chance of showers as that weekend begins, if this verifies. Check the numbers coming off the GEFS ensemble. Very cool today and tomorrow. Go back in the 70s for the weekend and check out those low and mid 80s coming in here later this month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.